Want to make your videos look more dynamic and cinematic without using keyframes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add natural handheld camera zoom effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's now get started. First is open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap Add to import it on the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories and use the search bar to search for camera zoom or similar zoom style effect. Tap the effect to preview it. You'll notice a smooth zoom movement that mimics a natural motion. You can also make adjustments. By clicking Adjust button, you can now adjust its speed using the slider below. If you like the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. After applying the effect, an effect layer will appear on your timeline. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to control how long the zoom effect plays. Before exporting, don't forget to play your video to preview the final look. And there you have it! That's how you add natural handheld camera zoom effect in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!